Hey, what's good, family? In this video, we're just going to be taking a quick look at how to buy and how to sell a stock on Robinhood. If that interests you, keep watching. I have a fresh Robinhood account right here. What we're going to do here is I'm just going to go through how to buy, how to sell, and set your stops and limits and whatnot. All right, so we were looking at PayPal earlier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in, type in PayPal's ticker. And what I'm going to do is I am going to hit buy. The beautiful thing about Robinhood and Moomoo is that you can buy fractional shares if you don't have the money to buy entire shares. So I'm going to buy $50 worth. I'm going to hit review, and then I'm going to swipe up to submit the order. That's how I would do if I wanted to buy like that. But I also want to show you, if you want to buy in shares, you can be a little more specific. You can do 0.8, 0.7. And right now it looks like it's only letting you put in a market order. So I'm going to come over. I'm actually just going to buy in dollars. I'm going to do 50. I'm going to hit review. And then I'm going to swipe up to submit. So right there you can see I bought. The average price per share is $67.72. Shares purchased 0.73. And then I'm going to hit done. Now scrolling down, you can see that I am currently down like really small fragments of a cent. It's 30% of this portfolio. And if I want to get in or out, I hit trade. I would hit sell and come up here. You can sell in dollars, sell in shares. You can set a limit order, which is, hey, if I want to sell this, if I want to sell it at $70, I would put 70 as the limit price, or $7.50. And then 24 hours market is 24 hours like it sounds. Extended hours is like a couple hours before the market opens and a couple hours after. And market hours is 8:30 to 3 p.m. Eastern. It shows you the time. So if I did that, I would hit continue. And then if you don't hit good till canceled, your order will be canceled same day. So just know that. Now I'm going to back out because that's a limit order. Going on, taking a look. This is a trailing stop. Trailing stop order follows the order. So if I wanted to do like a 50-cent trail, this is how I would set that up. So you can do a percentage. I personally prefer to go trail amount when I'm trading shares. So say I did 50 cents. This is what that would look like. So right now, the market price is at $67.71. As this moves up, the stop price is going to get higher. All right. And then last, but certainly not least, we have your stop order, which is trading at $67.70. If I say, okay, I'm going to cut my losses if it falls down to $67.20, that's how I would put that in. And then last but not least, this is the one that confuses the most people. You have a stop limit. So the way this works is you set your stop price. If it's like, hey, if it comes down here, I want to sell out here. You're going to need to set your limit price below whenever it comes to a stop limit. So it's like, okay, it's triggered at this price and sell it if it comes down here. So right here, your stop price would be, let's say 65. You hit continue, and then your limit price. And if you want your order to actually be filled, you need to make sure it's the same or lower. You could set it for 65 or lower. You can set it higher. That doesn't make much sense. All right, so I'm just going to back out. That's how you buy. That's how you sell. Thinking about trading options? Check out this video right here. But to be honest, I wouldn't quite recommend trading options until you have a good understanding of the charts, until you've gotten the hang of the way the stock that you intend to trade likes to move. If you enjoyed this video or learned anything, be sure to smash the like button. If for some reason you're new here and haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching. Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life.